Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to solve Skewb. This puzzle is awesome. It is a WCA event, which means that there are official tournaments held for it, and that it does indeed have a record time officially. And yeah, it looks really strange and, what's the word, intimidating when you're a beginner and you first see it, but I promise you it is easy peasy. It is very quick to solve, very easy to solve, and also very fun to solve. Okay, so the first step in solving this cube is, of course, scrambling it. So let me do that, and then I will be right back. Okay, so here we go. I've got this cube all nice and scrambled, and next step is solving the white layer, just like you would on a 3x3. So how we're going to do that is we're going to find the pieces that need to go up there, so the pieces with a white side to them. Here's one right here, white, blue, and red. And so to put it up here, all you've got to do is find the spot where you want that piece to go, which in this case is right here. That way the white and the white will match, and the blue and the blue will match. So we want this piece to go right here. And then you've got to hold it so that there is just a blank side in between the two pieces. So we want this piece to go up here, and that's what we want. We want them to be diagonal from each other. The two things need to be diagonal from each other. And the white needs to be facing out to either the left or to the right. And then from there, we just turn it up, just like that. And now this is up here. We got lucky, this was already up here, but if it wasn't, you just do the same thing. We do not worry about middle pieces right now. All you've got to do is just get these corners first. Now we go on to the next one. Here is the white, orange, and green piece. And here is the white, orange, and green slot right there. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to hold it so that this piece and the piece where it needs to go are diagonal to each other, and so that the white is facing out, away from you, on the right or the left. And then we're going to turn it so that it goes up there. Now we've got 3 out of the 4 pieces. Good. Next one is right here, and it needs to go right here. Now you may have already noticed there's a problem. This white piece is not facing the right. So what we're going to do, we'll just turn it up anyways, but as you can see, it's wrong. And then we flip it around so that it is facing, so that the white is on the bottom. And then what we do is we just bring this thing up, over, and back down. And there you go. It's down where it needs to go. It's diagonal from this top corner where it needs to be. And we have this white facing to the left. We then turn it up just like that. Now you don't even really need to watch this video in order to understand how to get this first side. I could get the first side without having to watch anything. It's the same as getting first side on a Rubik's Cube. It's just intuition. You just kind of got to figure out how to turn the things. There's no algorithms, and it's like that for most of the puzzle. There's one super simple algorithm. This cube doesn't even have any notation, I don't think, so I never learned it. And so, yeah. Alright, now the next step is getting the yellow pieces all lined up. That way we'll have all of these corner pieces nice and lined up and perfect, and then just have to solve the centers. So we get the white side, put it on the bottom. And then on the top side, we look around for the yellow pieces. And we can see there's 2 here, 1 here, and 1 there. So we hold it so that this guy is in the right corner and do this algorithm. You turn this so you turn this side like this, so that the centerpiece that used to be up here is now right here. You go boop, and then you switch your hands and do the same thing just with this side now. So this yellow goes right here, and then you go back to this side, put this yellow back up, back to this side, put this blue back up. I made a mistake. We're supposed to hold the yellow on the left side, but it doesn't matter. It fixes it for us if we make that mistake. So once again, we do down on this side like that, so that this top goes down to here, the blue down here, and then the same on this side, so that this green goes down here, back up on this side, back up on this side, just like that. And now you can see all of the corner pieces are solved. Next step is getting the center pieces, and this is the hardest part of the cube, which is saying something because this is an easy cube to solve once you get it. So all we've got to do is find a piece that we want. So what we've got, our goal here is to get it so that we have two solved pieces, one on the top, one on the bottom. We want to have two solved pieces that are opposite from each other. So first step is to get there, but as you can see, we do not have that. We've got 3 unsolved here and 2 solved right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to sort of just mess up these solved ones to try and get it in a position where we can put it to where it needs to go. To do this, we're going to do the same algorithm from before. Turn this side down, turn this side down, turn this side back up, turn this side back up. But then you've got to rotate the cube 180 degrees and do the same thing again. Just like that. And now, as you can see, we've messed up those 2 sides that used to be solved. Now we've only got 1, which means if we can get this side to be solved, then we're good, and we can start solving this thing. So we've got this red side solved. Now we just need to get the opposite side of it solved, which is the orange side, because remember, we do not go by center pieces in this one, we go by corner pieces. So we need to get the orange piece up here. And to do that, you just hold the piece that you want to move, in this case the orange center piece, above the spot that you want it to go to. So we've got the orange piece up here, and we want it to go right here, so we're holding it like this. And then we go down, down, up, up, flip the cube 180 degrees, down, so that this centerpiece that was up here is now down here, down, up, up, and there we go. We now have, we have the orange side now, but it messed this side up in the process. So we're gonna have to do that again. And to do that, we're going to go, sometimes if you can't figure it out, you just kind of have to do the algorithm. If there's no way to get it so that this lines up without messing this side up, you just kind of got to do the algorithm. So we'll hold it like this and do the algorithm again. And there we go, now we got it. We've got this side solved and this side solved, the opposites, and then this one is already solved for us, which is nice. It's not always going to be that way, so if it isn't, just do the same thing you're about to do to these 3 sides on all 4 sides. So what we do is we get it once again so that the piece we want is above where it needs to go. The yellow piece needs to go right here, so it's above the yellow side, and we go this side down. You just practically just grab this so that you've got your thumb up here, your finger here, and your other finger on this side, like this, and then turn it. Do the same thing on this side, bang, bang, bang. Now you flip it, bang, bang, back up, and congratulations, you have solved your Skewb. Now, if it does not solve automatically like this one just did when I completed one side, all you've got to do is, let's say that this side and this side are solved and these 2 are solved, but these are not. These are switched. All you've got to do is hold it so that the orange one is above and do it, or that the blue one is above and do that thing again. So that's the only algorithm in the entire puzzle, and it's very easy once you understand it. This is a super quick and fun puzzle to solve, and yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope that you found this helpful, and that you were able to solve your Skewb with it, or that it inspired you to go buy your own Skewb. They're pretty cheap on the Cubicle, I'm sure. I don't know what brand this is. I got it for Christmas and the label came off, but it's magnetic, which is very nice. It's not a must, but I prefer it. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.